Hey guys, John Erickson here. And you know, getting where you want to go has never been faster or easier than with BookAJet. It's the first and only online booking site that puts a vast database of private jets at your fingertips. Go to badget.net, that's BAJIT.net, right now. Select your itinerary from anywhere to anywhere around the globe. Choose your amenities and jets meeting your personal specifications appear on the screen. Simply select your jet and Badge will take care of everything else. Whether you're traveling for business, going on a romantic getaway, or taking a trip with the entire family, you'll always enjoy BookAJet's white glove service from door to door. Book your first flight with Badget.net today and receive 5 complimentary flight hours. Then, Badget to Paris, Badget to Las Vegas, Badget to Bali. Tell me, where will you badge it? To the moon? Someday.